So today's round, we're playing against Jong and Mongs. So I think this would be another potting Olympics na challenge for everyone. So this is the second time that we're doing this. So I think it's 10 pesos ulit per point. So I've been playing fairly well with my new putter. So this is a good challenge for my new putter. So let's see with my new putter if mananalo tayo sa potting Olympics. And hopefully we can still break 80. Alright, so see you in the fairways. So parang aga. Starting hole number 10. Sa backline kami magsa-start now. So no idea where the... Ayun, naglalaro na po yung bata. Batang Wena. Oh, sige, bato mo ulit. So no idea where the flag is.
Sa gilid.
Yun. Wala ilaw. Ilaw.
Kaliwa.
Kaliwa. Right! Kaliwa.
Nanonood kami ng misis ko kagabi ng Squid Games. 2 episode na lang. So napanood namin yung isa. Isang episode.
Hindi ka na napapalibasa kasi natapos siya to eh.
Ano ba yung Squid Games din? Okay. Ang dami daw hindi nagandahan sa story. Sabi ko okay naman ah. Mabilis nga eh.
Akala ko nga mabagal eh.
Medyo malakas. Ganda. Kala ko 3 points kagad eh.
Hanggang 3 points na.
Kaya nga eh. Okay. Medyo ako for 2 points. Right to left ano?
Left to right yan dito kahapon.
Ay oo nga. Inda mo rin eh no?
Kulang yung inside natin.
So hati-hati. Okay.
Uy!
Ano naman ngayon?
Gumalaw yung butas.
Miwas na yung butas.
Yabang, bago butter.
Bago pattern mo ah.
Okay, hole 11. Currently, Jong has 1 point. Mongs 0. Ako wala pa. Tapos, I've had a bogey. So, Mongs will have 7 strokes na plus sa akin kasi we're also playing skins. And, 2 strokes naman kay Mongs. Kay Jong, 7. Kay Mongs, 2. Uy. Ayan, okay lang. Kaliwa. Draw. Bueno, pero ako nang set.
Uy, diretso nga.
Left with 150 yards. So I'm hitting a 9 iron.
Ganda yan.
Hindi yata yun.
Bye.
Buti lang, wala akong 50 pesos ngayon. Unfortunately, Jong went into the water. I think that's his par putt. Kaming dalawa ni Mongs are putting for birdie. 9 paces. Left to right ba to, Wena? Pero yung damo right to left, ano? Dun sa kaliwang yun? Ang gano'n kalaki? Sa gilid lang yan.
Lens na.
Ah, talaga? Sa gitna nung dating butas? Tapos, regular na 9 lang. Good putt. No points for everyone for that hole. So Jong is still leading 1 point. Tapos par kami ni Monks. Si Jong I think was a bogey. So hole 12 is 160 yards. Most likely playing 150.
Kick left.
Four for right? Madulas na yung grip ko sa driver. Eh nung nakita ko yung ganyan na grip. Short pala ako. Short right. So 20 yards to the flag. Ano to? Right to left? Left to right? Pero double break. Lamang sa kaliwa. Good out. Jong for the Olympics. Jong for par and for 3 points. Ako for par and 2. Monks for 1 point and for par. Lahat tayo for par and 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ang bola pa pala.
Tubi.
Par.
Galing ako. Good up and down for me. I'm still currently 1 over. Si Mongs ata 2 na or 3. Si Jong is also 3. Although check na lang natin later. So sa points, si Jong is the leading with 1 point.
Four!
Sarap. Kaya doon ko talaga. Stop cutting.
Good shot. Good shot.
Fairway pa rin.
Kanan lang din. Good shot. 230. Going for it. With my 3 wood.
Maganda yan ah. Patong ata. Pinapalakpak siya.
Third shot. 101 yards to the flag. Ganda Mongs. Cut pa, cut. Oh, short. Jong for birdie for 3 points. Ako 1. I think 1 point ako for eagle. Laki ng bali. Monks for 2 points. Ako for 1 point. But this one is for eagle. 6 paces. Right to left. Oh, yun, nahuli! Nice spot! Na-videoan! Nice spot! Oh, sa dulo nga yung bali, ano? Kuha, birdie!
Wow!
Nice bird.
Nakahawa, sir. Nakahawa.
Nice spot, brother.
Yan ang eagle.
Hindi aabot yan, sir.
Dapat 5, 4 ginawa ko. Lang bird. Sayang. Nice spot. Okay, good. Zero. Parang I started playing golf, yung journey. Okay, currently, Moss has 2 points sa Olympics. Jong 1, ako 0 pa din. Currently, I am even par. Four! Oops. Ibibigay sa inyo. Parang yung... Ready! Left with... His second shot. Sumabit lang. Okay lang. At least gitna. Oo, gitna. Fairway. Wow! Hanip! Nice shot, brother! Solid. I'm still left with 250 yards. So just laying up sa kanan niyang water tank. Hitting a 6 iron. Okay lang ba? Hindi ka nagtatampo, hindi na eagle.
Medyo.
Short walang chance.
Ay lang. May 50 naman
May
ako.
chance pa. May kanan. Kanan lumusot. To punch out. Masyadong kanan yung second shot ko. So 70 yards to the flag. Dito lang tayo aim sa left of the bunker. Hopefully, ma-punch out ng maayos. Ay, sawad ng paliwan naman.
Bye.
Ay, lakas. Nakabi. Sobra ang aking third shot. Left to right, 30 yards.
Bagal yan.
That's good. Mongs spotting for bird ka no, Mongs? For birdie and for 3 points. Si Jong for 2 points. And for bird ka rin? Par. For par. Okay, ako for par din and 1 point. Regular lang.
Firm, sir. Paakyat yan.
Hindi ako nagtiwala sa linya ko. Ay. Bogey pa. Jong for bogey. Naku! Okay, hole 15 in terms of points. So ano kaya 2-1-0? 1-0 kasi minus pala for 3 putt. Okay. Behind lang ng konti.
Shot.
Shot, man.
Probe.
Yun. With 180 yards for my second shot. red flag, hitting a 6 iron. Umaasa po siyang pumatong ulit para daw sa 300. Pero hindi ko mapatong-patong tong butas na third shot nga lang. Jong with his third shot. Safe yung first shot ni Jong. Ayun, safe. Safe, safe, safe! Makuwela.
Kiklet.
Diretso nga.
Tong Pats.
Doon ako naka-aim ah. Mayroon ko ulit chance. 50 na naman.
Ano sir, hanggang chance na lang ba ako?
Eh, susubukan natin. I have another eagle putt. 9 paces. Pero tirang 10. Never short na to kasi uphill. Tapos for the Olympics, si Mongs from the outside. Pag na-shoot mo yan, 5 points ba? 4 points from the outside. Tapos si Jong for malamang 3, 2, 1 or 4. That's good. Good par. Par, di ba? Par? 1 point.
Sabihin mo na keyboard. Tug-tug.
Ano ba yan?
33 naging 5.
Pag birdie,
Okay, may 100. Thank you sir, Benamano.
Pagpag.
Nice.
Uy! Kasi siguro bigat yung club. Good putt. Currently, I am 1 under, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So in terms of point, in terms of the stroke play, I'm not sure kung sino leading. So, hole 16 playing 108 lang siguro to, or 105 yards. Hitting still a 56-degree wedge. Okay, si Mongs, again, potentially for 4 points for par. So it's either 3, ako, 2. Basta either 4 points. Okay, 3 points. I have that for 3 points and for birdie. Jong 2 points. Si Mongs for 1 point. They are both putting for par. I'm putting for birdie. Mabagal. Mabagal.
Yes!
Uy! Kakabig ulit! Mongs for 1 point. Good putt. 1 putt. Good putt, brother. Good putt. Igigib ko na nga eh. Para practice. Good putt. With that birdie, I am now currently 1 under lang pala. 1 under and 3 points. So sa Olympics, ako 3 points. Si Mongs 3 points. Si Jong is -1 daw because of the 3 putt. So hole 17 is playing 175 yards against the wind. Might hit the 7 iron.
150K.
Fade. Cut! 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 Ang ganda yan. Ang ganda yan. Ay, ang bilis ah. Ang ganda na ng binagsakan mo eh. For 2 points. Monks for 3 points. I am putting for 2 points. Tapos si Jong for 1. Monks for birdie. I'm for birdie. Jong for par. Ay, bagal ah. Bagal pa rin kahit. One more. Di bumali.
Sa dulo bumali.
Okay, Jong for par and for 1 point. Nice putt. Good putt. Good par. Good par, brother. Natuktok. Very happy with that par. Currently still 1 under sa stroke play. Naku.
Kanan.
Good shot, brother. Second shot, playing 230 yards, hitting a 3 hybrid.
Apo.
Woo! Patong mo na! Uy, short! Monks with 30 yards for his third shot. Ganda, babait yan. Good shot, Monks. 17 yards to the flag, left to right. Malaki sa kaliwate, eh, diba?
Sir, halos
So mabilis. Dun sa may
itim na
dumi-dumi
dumi.
na yun sa itim na.
Opo.
Hindi talaga kakagat. Monks for par and for 3 points. Tapos si Jong 2, ako 1. Everyone putting for par. Ganda. Ay, namatay. Pakimark. Joke lang. That's good. Okay, for par and for 4 points. Ay, 4 points. 2 points. Lakas. Napitik. That's good. Nice spot. Nanakot pa ng konti para hindi aabot. Okay, just a recap. Hole number 18, I was able to bogey. Sayang. So, sayang kasi first time sana ulit na under par sa back 9.
Ganda. Balik.
Last course management, layo pa. Still 266. So I'm just hopefully hitting a 7 iron to be on the fairway. Third shot, 96 yards to the flag, left to right, hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Go.
Nakast behind it.
Go.
First shot. Medyo behind. Landed short. Hindi ko na clean shot yung 60 degrees! Okay, 15 yards. Left to right ba ito, Wena? Isang grip. Left to right. Come on. Ay, naku, lakas, Luigi.
Tama na.
Napipik! Ay, ay, ay. Sabi ko po pandit. 3 points to, no? Sobra yung ano?
Oh, grabe ka.
Malakas lang ng konti. Ha? Sakto yung bala.
Tayo boss.
Okay, Jong for 2 points para 0 ulit sa Olympics. Take it brother. Ano ba yun? Sayang. Okay, hole number 2.
Wala pa ako pumala.
447 yards. Sa Olympics, lamang na ulit si Mongs. Mongs, 4 points. Jong, ilang ka sa Olympics? Negative 2 pa rin ba?
Negative.
Negative 2. O, 4 ka up ka na. So, 4, 3,
Negative.
negative 2. Talagang binibigyan tayo ng challenge ni... Gusto ni Jong may challenge. Wow! Beauty! Stop drawing. Ganda. Good shot. Although kahit na pinag-gold kami doon, hindi malaki yung difference eh. Parang
Hindi nga.
malapit lang yung golf course eh. Kumbaga yung distance, parang blue lang. Draw. Ano tunog?
Yung par 4 na dos drivable pero nag-iron lang ako eh.
Drivable yung temporary game.
Terrible tee shot, left with 220 yards. Hitting a hybrid. Uy, kanan. Wala akong nakita bumaba. Kaya nga eh. Ay, naku, malambot. Lambot eh. I am 45 yards to the flag. Ganda, Jong! Pasok! Uy! Ay, shot, brother. Ganda ng tira ni Jong. Muntik na sumot. Okay, ako 45, tirang 30, left to right. No?
80?
O, kulang yun.
Kulang yun, sir.
Mga tirang 35.
Opo.
Lakas yata ah.
Bite.
Lakas.
Mongs, third shot. Lakas ng kineri. Lakas ng palo. Bite! 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 Ayaw.
Kasi bakit sinasabi?
Ah, sayang. Okay. Bugi. Thank you. 1 point. 2 point. Nag-2 point ulit sa'yo.
Ipasok mo ito sa? Pasok mo.
Okay, for Olympics, Monks is spotting for 3 points. Jong has this short putt for 2 points. So currently 4-4, -2. Tumalon! Good putt. When it rains, it pours. Grabe. I feel you, brother. Hole number 3, 190 yards, but I think it's playing 180. Sa Olympics, 4-4, -2 ang point. So, parehas kami ni Monks 4. Sana naman may makakuha sa amin. Pot money is already 160.
Sunhay na naman, pero kano?
Safe.
Ayan. Keep in high. Right off the green. 20 yards to the flag. Right to left ba yan, Wena? Left to right. Left to right. Hindi ako sanay. Doon ako sanay sa kabila eh. Left to right. Okay. Mga tamang 15, no? Okay. Down sa kaliwa.
Kano nagsimula?
Tama na.
Laki ng kinumpunod sa sakat.
Okay. Magtuturoan pa kayo. I am... So, Mongs for 3 points. I am for 2. Si Jong for 1 point. Oh, ang galing niyo. Basang-basa siya. Oh. Ay. Ah. Mongs for 3 points. Ako for... To take the lead. To take the lead. Ay, wala, mahina. Halos isang bola. Firm, ano? Paakyat.
Kala ko bilin. Okay, 2 points. 6-4.
Good putt. Olympic update. I'm now currently 6 points. Si Mongs 4. Si Jong -2. Currently, I'm still 2 over naman sa stroke play.
Tabit mo! Tawid!
Kiklet.
Ako sa ubi.
Hoy!
Sakto sa golf cart. Solid yun ah. Wala akong nakita. Yun lang, nag-iisang fairway.
Definitely, I hit the tree sa right. Okay, I'm 130 yards to the flag. pipilitin kong 100 using a 50-degree wedge.
Ganda ng tama.
Take right mo. Woo!
Thank you. Naku, 50 pesos na naman.
Ay mo.
Saan naman ako?
Ganda rin. Go! Sakto yata yan. Uy, sayang. Short pa ng konti. Kinapos pa ng konti.
Taas ang puso.
Oo. Sayang. Bite. Ganda yata yan. Ganda. Pang pro. Ang lakas ng loob. Nice shot. Okay, both my friends talaga nag-Olympic sila. Nilagay lang talaga nila sa off the green. Ayan, si Mongs, if ever for 4 points. To go to take the lead. To take the lead! Ow! That's good, that's good. 1 point. Oo. Galing. Okay, that's for 2 points. Okay, confirmed akin 3. Anong bigay mo, left to right? 8. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa? Okay. Ano kung 8 din? 8.
Ay, iba yan.
Ha?
Natakot ako lakasan na.
Akala ko lapit na. Dikit yun.
Akala ko rin. At least save yung 50 pesos.
Jong for 2 points. Mahina. Laylay ang walang firm eh. 5 points ka na? Okay, so 6-5 negative 2. So whole 5 110 yards. Third sayang birdie putt. So currently 2 over still.
Ganda. Good shot, brother. Naku, go! Ang hina.
Ay!
Wrong club choice din pala ako.
May hangin sir.
120 pala, tapos against pa.
Ito.
One of the most difficult shots. 30 yards to the flag. Short na short. Kaliwa, left to right. +1.
Bababa yung go!
Hina!
Tahan.
Against the wind eh. Against the caddy.
Jong for 2 points. Ay! Ayaw pa rin! Uy!
Take good.
Par.
Kaya ba tayo?
Okay, hole number 6. 343 dog leg left. For the Olympics, if I'm not mistaken, I'm leading by 1. 6-5, tas negative 2 si Jong. Tas currently, I am 3 over sa stroke play namin.
Yes! Bumalik din sa fairway. Shot.
Hindi, 5 to ano?
Oh, nice shot din
Maaga
sir.
nag-draw.
5 5 to count.
4.
Tapos kunyari, di ba isang
Maganda nga yun sa content ko. Meron na league goal practice. Parang yan. Ayan. Yun!
Maganda.
Draw. Ang ganda, mataas lang.
Gaano tayo ng 13-18 degree.
60. Ay, 6 na lang. 60 yards to the flag. I will try to nip it. Bahala na.
Ay, mahina.
Go, go.
Shoot, 3 points. Buti na lang.
Magaling na swerte pa.
Ganun din. Dapat jackpin.
Monks for 3 points. And I think for a birdie. Tama, birdie siya, no? Oh, birdie. To go 8 points. Currently 5 points siya. Ano bigay mo sa atin? Kaliwa? Parang mahina. Mahina. Sambola? Okay. Regular?
Hati-hati. Alam. At least kung ano bigay natin. Alam natin misread.
For 1 point. Nasa likod pa. Yun, nakuha! Ay, ayaw pa rin. That's good, that's good. Nice putt. Lamig. Good putt. Okay. Mouse for par. Uy! Nag-3 putt pa.
-1. Less 20 pesos.
6-4-2, tama? Tama ba? Ano na tayo? 5-4 kanina. Ah, so 5-3. Ah, so 6-4-2, -2. Okay. Last 3 holes. Unfortunate 3 putt for Mongs. So currently sa Olympics, I'm 6 points. Si Mongs is 4. Si Jong is -2.
Either.
Shortcut.
Yun, nag-feed. Ngayon ko lang nag-feed yung.
Hindi
Ilang
aabot.
ka dito, Jong?
Uy, bukas lang. Sige, si after ni Mongs.
Kasi mga pa.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. After. Nag-draw.
Yung kay Mau.
Oo, yung kami nila Mau.
Hindi, yung sa January.
Four ways! 4!
$120 yards to the flag. Walang bounce. So I'm in between a 50 degree and 56. So I might just choke a 50 degree wedge.
Kick right. A little. Tama na. May konting ka.
With 120 yards for his second shot. Ay, kaliwa lang. Kick right. Ay, sayang. Pang Olympics. Monks chipping for birdie. Again for 4 points to take the lead. Ganda. Ay, bumite. Okay. Ako 3 points. 3, 2, 2 si Jong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Never short. Kaliwa no. 6. Yan ang maganda. Pasok! Halos isang cup. Ay, isang bola. 7 bilang ko. Ilan dapat?
6.
6 lang.
That's good, brother.
Ay!
Ayun, umiti na rin siya.
At saka nagbasa talaga siya kayo ng green.
The pin.
Binabawi ko rin pagkatapos ng laro.
Nakaka 200 na sa akin sa birdie, which I'm happy na it happened. So hole number 8, 160. So for Olympics, that was 2 points for my last one putt. So I'm currently 8. Monks is 5. And this is 8, 4, 2. Negative 2 si John. Kanan. For right, for right! For right! Oh, sa pool din yung bakal. Uy! Ang bilis ng bagsak. Oo nga, malakas sa akin. Sure na lang. Pero naman kung bola.
Di ba?
Patong, sir.
Monks for par. Ganda, Monks. Naku, lakas. Lakas sa labas pa. Lumabas pa si John. Mabagal. Regular lang, ano? Hindi naman sobrang bilis. Pesos. Diyan sa pitch mark na yan, diyan ko papadaanin. Kung gis din.
Pasok!
Oh!
Ay! Kulang pa.
Medyo pinasok ko ng konti doon sa piligid.
Kasalanan mo, ha?
Nakakuha. Good par, brother. Tayo right inside.
Hati-hati sa kanan, ano?
Kaliwa, sir.
Left to right?
Opo.
Hindi pala nagsabi yun. Bagay ito. Naku, nakita ko na, na-push ko.
Very unfortunate 3-putt. So Olympics, I am currently, because of the 3-putt, -1. So I'm 7. Si Monks is 4. Jong is now 0. Sayang. Sa stroke play, I am 3 over total. Kung may 20 pa tayo ng par, mayroon ka pang 100, isa pang 100 ulit, 5 par. 3 o'clock.
So, nagamit na ba natin?
Need to take my medicine, punch out for 80 yards with my 7 iron.
Pinapaano ko, akala ko babalik pa pagkatama. Actually, naisip ko na siya, nakita ko, tumingin ako doon.
Tawid, tawid, tawid! Natawid yan. Clear. Ganda ng patama talaga sa treewood. yards to the flag. Left to right. Tama ba? 50 pa? Nakabitin nga.
Sobrang kaliwa naman, Luis, at nakalakas.
Right.
Dapat di ko pinabite. Dapat regular.
Okay, Jong for 1 point. Nagkalat ako sa 9. Lakas ah. Right to left for 3 points. Sino? 3 points? Mongs, ikaw 3 points? 3 ka? 2 ako. Okay, 3 points si Mongs. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan bigay mo? Lakas. Yan, yung bola. Kaliwa lang. Okay. Kung 8, ilan dapat? 8 bilang steps. 8 din?
Laki pa yun.
Ang sarap.
Naramdaman ko, off the toe. Oh, boy. Ayos.
Kuha. Nice spot. Good putt. Okay. Jong for... wala na palang points to, no? Nice spot, brother.
Ilan?
Hindi ko talaga matanggal yung sumpa ng front line. Nice meeting you, brother.
Nice meeting you.
Nice.
Nice meeting you. Ay, nice meeting you. Good game, Monks. Sayang. 6 over yata nga. Tama.